In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to make trim for our sides. Now that we've cut both of our sides, we need to make trim to go along one edge. Now the reason we're only making it go along one edge is because there's only going to be one edge in the front that's going to be visible. The other edges are going to be hidden by either sitting on the floor, being in the back, or having the top sit on it. So we only have to worry about the one edge. Our side is 29 1/4, so we know our piece of trim needs to be 29 1/4 long. In addition, the thickness of our board is 3/4, so our trim will have to be 3/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to make my other dimension 3/4 as well. So my piece of trim will be 29 1/4 by 3/4 by 3/4. My first cut will be 29 1/4 to cut my long board to. I'm going to use the radial arm saw for that. You could also use a miter saw. Next, I'm going to cut 2 trim pieces to 3/4 of an inch on the table saw. And now I have my trim pieces for my sides.